Hey y'all, welcome to the channel. So I'm gonna go ahead today and we're gonna go ahead and make a, let's see, what am I gonna do? Looks like I'm gonna do, I think, a bomb pop. Okay, and so the ingredients that you're going to need for that, you're gonna need one Liftoff, and this is pomegranate flavored. You're gonna need one Herbalife raspberry tea. You're gonna need one sugar-free packet of the blue raspberry, and then you're gonna need one sugar-free packet of the Sun-Kissed. So I'm going to go ahead and prepare this for you today and show you how this is made. So first things first, I get my 32-ounce cup. Mason jars are really cool if you have one. If you don't, cool. I went to a restaurant store, got this, and it's clear so you can see. I'm going to fill it with ice. I like to get the ice really packed up in there because we're going to be using a little bit of warm water from our kettle. Alright, so basically what we're going to go ahead and do first is we're going to fill, and I always like to do a little bit of warm water just to help it dissolve better. And what we're going to go ahead and dissolve in here is we're going to dissolve your Liftoff. I already powdered it up so that it would go quicker because it takes a little while sometimes. Just going to go ahead and let that set. Get all the goodness in there. Alright. And then we're going to do the tea next. It's already pre-measured, so it's one serving. The next is going to call for half of the first sugar-free flavor. In this circumstance, since we're making the bomb pop, I want the red to be on the bottom. I'm going to go ahead and I'm going to do a half teaspoon of this. Okay, I'm just going to go ahead and dissolve that, get that all dissolved up real good. You kind of want to make sure you have about 4 to 6 ounces of water, so I'm going to go ahead and just add a little bit more so I can add the full 4. Just dissolving, getting that all flavored on there. I'm going to go ahead and pour this in the bottom of our cup here. Okay, so there is, now, going back to the ice situation. I always would add more ice again. This is just because of that. You want to make sure that you're doing there, okay? Now, I'm going to rinse this out. Alright, guys. Now, our second sugar-free flavor, I'm going to go ahead and pour it in here. I'm going to give us about 4 ounces again. And now I'm going to take my second sugar-free packet, which is going to be the blue flavor. Again, we're doing a half teaspoon. I'm going to go ahead and stir that around. Get that all mixed up, and it smells amazing. Alright, I'm going to go ahead and fill a little bit of water here on the top just to separate my layers. And then I'm going to go ahead and pour this right on the top. And there we go. We got our drink. Just going to add a little bit more water just for that purpose. And I'm going to sprinkle a teeny bit, because I had a little bit left over, just to add a little bit more glue. There you go. Got a bomb pop. Enjoy. Mm.